Good day, Sir, Madam. My name is Jonavi Banyel, Filipino. I am 30 years old. I am Roman Catholic. I am married. I have one child. My husband is working as a farmer. I have two brothers and three sisters. I am fourth in the family. I am high school graduate. About my working experience, I worked as a helper in the Philippines for 2 years. My duties and responsibilities are cleaning, washing and ironing clothes, marketing, gardening, and car washing. I also know how to cook Chinese dishes like steamed fish, egg soup, and chow fan. And I am willing to learn other Chinese dishes, and I am willing to learn how to speak Mandarin words. I love taking care of children by taking them about every day, give them food, a healthy food on time, by bring them to school, and love them by like my own child, and play with them. Sir, Madam, I am patient, honest, trustworthy, flexible, responsible, and hardworking person. Sir, Madam, please choose me as your household worker because I need this job for my family needs and for the future of my child. I promise to do my duties very well, and I will finish my 2 years contract with you. Thank you, Sir, Madam.